Hello friends, now in this video we learn how to earn money online. So in this video we are sharing to a lot of platform available to online. So I sharing you step by step which platform available. So now you watch this video, all full video, because I sharing you a bonus tip on this video and the ending. So you watch a full video. So friends, as we start to freelancing job, yes friend, freelancing job is the best platform to available earning money online. So do you know about the freelancing job? So friends, I create all points detail video. If you are detailed video, you comment me. In this video we are sharing to which platform available to online money. So friends, first we start to freelancing job. Yes friend, freelancing job is the best way to earning money. If you are some knowledge of this data entry jobs and website web designing jobs and web creating, so you start to freelancing job and other things. You are IT वगैरह, if you IT knowledge, so you start the freelancing jobs and earn money online. If you start to part-time jobs and full-time jobs available. If you searching on the Google website freelancing jobs, so start the freelancing.com website available and Upwork website available and lots of website available, and how which works to I sharing you in this next video how to sign up and how to earn money on this platform. So friends, now a second point and second topic is in this video, affiliate market. You know friend, affiliate market is the best thing of this earning money. So some website available to affiliate markets. If you are know about the Flipkart, Amazon, in this e-commerce website, eBay, Amazon, and Snapdeal, lots of websites, e-commerce website available. So you share on this website affiliate market and earn some commission. So this is a affiliate market. Also are using some websites, so I sharing you a next video. So this second topic and second parts of this affiliate market. So now third is online courses. Yes friend, online courses is the best way of this earning money. If you know entrepreneur and some website available to earning money online, if you know online courses, an academy, Coursera, Byju's, and lots of companies and website available to some courses, paid courses available on this website, and some free courses available on the website. So you can also create some courses and put this website and earning money. All friends, if you are creating some courses, I recommend it to my application available to my build up application. So you can also upload this your course on this platform. So you also earn for this platform. So friends, now fourth way is postcasting. Yes friends, postcasting is now at, if you not showing your face on the front of camera, you start your postcasting with postcasting audio. If you know postcasting is a FM, like FM. It's only a sound recording to some postcasting platform available. If you know Apple Podcasting, Google Podcasting, and Anchor Podcasting, Sophie also available on this. Lots of platform available. So you put on this podcasting on your and earning money to podcasting. Yes friends. So friends, sixth way is sell ebooks. So friends, if you are writer, if you know some knowledge of this writing books and sell your books on the Amazon Kindles, and you can also sell your books in physical on this some website, some platform available to how to sell physical ebooks and physical books. So I sharing you a lot of thing on this video. So you also to earn money on the ebook selling. So now friends, seven ways to earning money online. You start you earning webinar. If you are some paid webinar available to, if you are selling your paid webinar, so you can also earning money of from the webinar. And also if you are online product, you to share of knowledge of the webinar and generate your earning money online. 8 way to earning money online: sponsor post. Yes friends, if you are more for followers on the Instagrams and more likes followers on this Facebook, so you can also sponsor post. If you charge some money of the sponsor post of this other companies and other posts, lots of followers on the Insta, so you start your journey of this sponsor post and earn money online. Yes friends, 9 way is YouTube. Yes friend, YouTube is the best way to earning money, but some reasons not start some person of this YouTube. If you some because of it, those people not start in this YouTube and start sometimes and not put uploading to video regularly, so not response to content and on this video. So if you are create a YouTube channel, so friends, you regularly upload video and YouTube some privacy and some terms and condition to start to earning money, because in this YouTube some advertise available to like AdSense. First you start your YouTube channel, then create a AdSense account. If you are 1000 subscribers and 4 hours watch times, so you are eligible to monetize your advertise. So on this your video some advertise came and you earn money online on this advertise. So now it is also best way, but long time to apply this YouTube channel. So friend, last way to earning money online: if you are a content writer, if you are to interest to some writing on the blog, so you start your blogging journey and you earn money online. If you are some news vagaras and some tips tricks and also IT works, also lots of blogging available. So you search blogging career, so you start a blogging and which platform to earning blogging. You also AdSense available to blogging. You put your advertise on the your website from the AdSense and earn money online. So friends, in this video we are sharing to lots of things and lots of platform available to online earning money, but it's a few, it is some knowledge. And now second video we are deeply knowledge to how to earn money online, so you watch this video also and this in this video also. So friends, if you are agree with my knowledge and if you are agree with this video, so like and comment and share mostly, because your friend also sharing this knowledge, and your friend and your family also get this knowledge, because this is a valuable knowledge. So friends, sharing, and friends, firstly subscribe. Thank you friends, have a good day, goodbye.